Hi! Welcome to another day of packing. We are in Ryer's room and I'm almost done packing in here. I have his closet left and we still have to break down the bed. And then we are going to move on and pack Kylie's room.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride?
It's crazy. I feel like we're doing a complete 180 because we made over this room during Christmas and we did a video on that, and now we're gonna like pack it all up to redecorate it all over again. So yeah, let's get packing. You don't like Woody?
Everyone. Buzz Lightyear mission log. All signs point to this planet's location.
So today, while Chris was helping me pack up Ryer's room, we found these scissors here that we have been missing for months. When we've asked the kids, hey, do you guys know where the scissors are at? No. Guess where they were at? In Ryer's room. I have been working with kid scissors for months because I could not find my scissors. And now I have them. And I won't lose them again. Or the kids won't steal them again. Since I have come into Kylie's life, I have been buying her snow globes for Christmas. So we started in 2014 and now we are all the way up to 2019, and she will get a new one this year. She gets them every year from Santa. It's a snow globe, bud. And yeah, she loves them. She gets excited every year, and when we move, we are actually going to build her shelves for her to put all her snow globes on.
I'm gonna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back. Yeah, you can count on me. Yeah. So put your hand in mine. I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky.
The last snow globe is right beside you. Hey man behind the cam, can you throw me those stuffed animals on the bed so I can pack them? Pew! Pew! I see you. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as... Excuse me, mommy is talking. Like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed making it. If you haven't checked out my first vlog, I'm gonna put it right up here for you guys to click on it and go check it out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button. Bye!